Hello, my awesome friends. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super cool, super easy, super fun Christmas tree sculpture. Now, you're going to need 4 pieces of paper. Green would be extra festive. You're going to need scissors and glue and a pencil. Let's get started. First, you're going to take 1 piece of paper, you're going to turn it so it is horizontal, and you're going to take one side and fold it corner to corner. It's like you were making a Christmas card. Now this part is very important. We want the side that is folded. We do not want the side that is open because that is going to lead to problems. The side that is folded, I want you to look for that folded side and I want you to put your pencil right here at the top. I'm going to draw half of a Christmas tree. I'm going to go out and back in. I'm going to go out and back in. I'm going to go out and back in. Da, 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 da. There is my Christmas tree. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to leave this folded just like this. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut on the line that I just made. I'm going to cut and I'm going to cut. 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 Now if I did this correctly, when I open it up, I will have a Christmas tree. Let's check it out. Open it back up. Ta-da! I have a really cool Christmas tree. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a new piece of paper. I'm going to turn it horizontal. I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to take my Christmas tree that I just made. I'm going to find the folded part. I'm going to match them together. And I'm going to trace. I trace. I trace. I trace. And now I'm going to cut it out. Ta-da! I have 2 matching Christmas trees. Guess what the next step is? I do it again. And now, one more time. Ta-da! You should have 4 folded Christmas trees that are just like each other. Now, we're going to take the glue. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to put a little glue on this side. I'm going to take one of my Christmas trees and I'm going to stack it on top. Rub and rub and rub. I'm gonna put glue on this side. And I'm gonna stack another one on top. And I'll rub and rub and rub. And boys and girls, I bet you can guess, we are gluing all these together just like if we were gluing a book. I take my last one and I glue it on top. And I rub, and I rub, and I rub, and I rub, and I rub. Now I want to make sure all of my glue is dry. I want to make sure all of my Christmas trees are stuck together because here is the cool part. I'm going to take my Christmas tree. I'm going to open it. Everyone say, whoa. And I'm going to glue these pieces together. I'm going to take my glue. I'm going to squish it just like that. And da 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 da, I have a cool Christmas tree sculpture. It stands up all by itself. I can see all the way around it. It's magical. Now, I did not put any decorations on my Christmas tree, but while you are tracing and cutting, if you want to take your markers and decorate, add ornaments or ribbons or any sort of cool details, that would just make your Christmas tree extra special. Have fun, my friends!